Today I want to demonstrate how to build up the assembly. First, you can see we can use the bottom-up modeling. So we build part first, and then we have got the wheel, and then the long shaft, and then a hexagon tube here, and then you can make the assembly right now. Insert the component, you can insert the first component. The first one should be that one, and then you can insert another one. Insert again the wheel. So you can see when you insert the first one, it cannot move anywhere because that one is fixed part. And then the other one, you can see I can move anywhere because that component is float when you using the mate after that, because that one you can mate the two components together. And then you can insert all of the components first, hexagon tube, and then insert again for the long shaft. So you can see the first part is fixed part, and the other one is float, and float part again, because you can right click your mouse, you can see is float part. So how can you build the assembly right now using the bottom-up modeling? You can use the mate to mate edge to the edge. You can see when you mate edge to edge, it will go to the coincidence. That means we want to make the same location for the edge. And then when you click into the concentric, when you take OK to finish, that one is the same center with the other components. So when you mate it, you can see concentric here, and then you can right click to add the features. Something like your extrude or revolve, you can add the features later on. So you can go to the coincidence to fix the two components together. You can see I fix it right now, because when you use the concentric, you need to fix at least two, because when you make the concentric, you can see it can move. So how can you fix the component? You need to mate it again for the face to face again to fix it. So if you use the concentric, you need to do it again for the mate. But if you use the coincidence, I think you do not need to mate the face to face again. So you can right click to delete it or edit the features. Coincidence. So you can see that one, when you want to mate into that hexagon hole, you can rotate component. You can rotate it or you can move. When you want to mate the two components together, I think we have got face to face, edge to edge, or point to point. So you can mate from that one edge to that edge. First one, and then you can see when I made it again, maybe I use that one, made it that edge to that edge again. So you can see why I need to use two to fix it, because the first one you can just fix one position, and the other one you can fix it right now. So when you just want to fix the two components together, you will use the mate features here. So I think that one you can use the mate from this edge to this edge. So you just mate it this edge to edge to make it. Click in that edge. You can see you just make the coincidence and then click OK to finish. So you can have the delete, right click delete it, or edit it. Because you delete it, you can make it again for the long shaft. If the long shaft, maybe some of the student made face to face, you can see it will go to the concentrate, not coincidence. So you can see that one, you need to fix it again for the face to face, and then fix the location, and then make that face to that face again, and then you can make it. So sometimes I will use edge to edge because we can use the coincidence to fix the two components together. So you can see the top view, front view, or the right view. So I think that one is not correct for the front view, so I need to go to the long shaft to edit part. Before you edit part, you need to save it. That one is the toy car. Before you edit your part, you need to save it. So when you edit the part, all of the other components will go to the transparency, and the part will go to the blue in color. So you can see that one for the features is the total length is 115. So you can just make the other web plane, because that one is your front web plane. So when you rotate it, you can see it's not the same as that one, because when I insert the component, I insert the wheel first. So you can see the front view is that one. So when you want to mirror the component, maybe you can go to the long shaft for the right wheel here to make the mirror. So you can use Control in your keyboard and then click in that right web plane, and then select the hexagon tube wheel and then the wheel wing here, and then click into the mirror components and then click OK. Because we don't want to make another reference geometry, or I need to create another one, so you can use the previous right wheel to do the mirror.